Hello friends, it's Raj and this is the unboxing of my new RTX 2060 graphics card.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So I bought this RTX 2060 Founders Edition from the Nvidia India website. The link is in the video description. In India, the RP Tech aka Rashi Peripherals is providing the support for Nvidia products. You will be getting the signed invoice, so nothing to worry about the warranty and after sale service. The product came well packed via delivery courier service to my home. So let's take it out. Okay, we have the invoice. Again, a nice green OEM box. Let's take a quick look at the box. So the MRP is rupees 39,900, but the item is being sold for just rupees 31,000. Cool. For that price, you also get to choose one from the latest games, the Anthem or the Battlefield 5. Okay, again the graphics card is packed inside an anti-static bag to protect it from electrostatic damages. Nice. It has got two display ports, one HDMI, one DVI and one USB-C. All these are video output ports. Okay. It also has an 8-pin PCI Express power port on the other side. And Nvidia recommends a power supply unit of at least 500 watts. So let me keep that aside. And let's open this small box. There is an image of a cable and a manual on it. Here is the quick start and support guide, but where is the cable? Maybe Nvidia decided not to provide any additional cables after making the boxes. Okay, what is this Nvidia? Can't you just provide one cable for free? So that was the rest of the intro video. Now it's time to replace my existing Asus GTX 760 graphics card. It still can handle most games, but I am not satisfied with the performance. Finally, the RTX is ready to rock my gaming rig. To add, this rig is not that new, okay? I assembled it 4 or 5 years back. Anyway, it still works fine for me. Okay, now let's talk about the game bundle. Within 1 or 2 days after delivery of the graphics card, you will get a mail to your registered email from RP Tech with the game redemption code. You can redeem it as follows. After redeeming the code, you get to choose any one of the 2 games. Again, you have to use the corresponding app, Origin in this case, to activate the game in your account. Then all you need to do is download the game and play. Okay, before we wrap up, here are some benchmark scores with GTA 5 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey. So that was the unboxing, setup and benchmark of my new RTX 2060 Nvidia Founders Edition graphics card. Hope the video was useful. Bye bye.